And we start with some breaking news that's coming in on top of this newscast. There's a bizarre statement made by a minister on the attack on Saif Ali Khan. Mahayuti Minister Nitesh Rane is doubting this attack on the actor. He is asking questions on Saif Ali Khan's version. He says, did Saif Ali Khan, was he actually attacked or was he just acting? He says he's suspicious after seeing Saif walk back home. Now, this is another leader from the NDA who's raising questions. Remember, yesterday it was Sanjay Nirupam. Sanjay Nirupam said that after looking at Saif return home, there are questions on the minds of many people. And now it's Nitesh Rane. Listen in.
आमच्या भावी पिढीच्या डोक्यामध्ये चार गोष्टी टाका. त्यांना सांगा आजूबाजूला काय होत आहे, कसले धोके आहेत. अहो, आपल्या घरात पूजा करण्यामध्ये आजकाल हे लोक बंदी टाकल्यापर्यंत हिंमत पोचलेली आहे. बघा त्या बांगलादेश पहिले काय करतात त्या मुंबईमध्ये. त्या सैफ अली खानच्या घरात घुसले. म्हणजे नालायक बघा किती आहेत. पहिलं फक्त नाक्यावर उभा राहायचे, आता घरात घुसायला लागलेले आहे. कदाचित त्याला घेऊन जायला आले असतील. हे घाण लेकी जाऊ मारतात जायला. तो एवढा तू असा बाहेरून चालत होता, मलाच संशय राहिला काय घर चाकू मारला की ह्यानी कुठेतरी असंच ऍक्टिंग करून बाहेर निघाला. असं टुन 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 करून असतंय ते.
Arunil is joining us live. Arunil, one would call this statement insensitive, especially because it's coming from a leader and a minister in the Maharashtra government. Now, Nitesh Rane is saying, when I saw him walk back home, I got suspicious. Was he really stabbed or was he just acting? It's a bizarre statement, but it's also, leading into all those conspiracy theories that are floating around. Get us through all the conspiracy theories right now that people are talking about.
Well, certainly, yes, Sagarika, good morning to you. First, it was Sanjay Nirupam who basically openly spoke about it. There were many conspiracy theories that were being raised across social media. Many of our viewers were also asking this question, that when Saif Ali Khan was stabbed in the back, the knife was there in the back itself. It had to be operated out. How come within 5 days he could walk home so steadily? I mean, the walk was also fast. This is what but the viewers have been saying.
Because we have Nitesh Rane joining us on the phone line. Rane ji, good morning. आपने जो एक वाक्या दिया है, काफी लोग ऐसा मानते हैं कि बहुत इंसेंसिटिव स्टेटमेंट है. डॉक्टर्स ने कहा कि सैफ अली खान को 6 स्टैब इंजरीज हुए थे, उनका सर्जरी हुआ है, वो घर वापस आए. लेकिन आपने सवाल पूछा कि क्या वो सच में स्टैब हुए थे, क्या वो एक्टिंग कर रहे थे. ऐसा आपके दिमाग में ऐसा सवाल क्यों आया?
I think that's a question that every Mumbaiker is asking, and it is just not me. Frankly, the way the events unfolded, and after that, if you must have seen, everyone was actually initially worried, but then later on, the way the things started unfolding and the way he walked around after discharging from the hospital, every Mumbaiker, there is a suspicion about what exactly happened and how come everything is so fit and fine after that, and that is why these questions are raised, because when this incident happened, you must have remembered, even the opposition questioned the law and order in the city. When as government we are very clear that there is no question of law and order in the city. So the whole aspect actually lies there. What exactly happened? If he was severely stabbed and if there was, if such serious injuries were made, so how come he was okay after just in 5 days? So it was just a question that every Mumbaiker has in their mind, and I just watched it.
Okay, Mr. Rane, but these suspicions that you're talking about, yes, the opposition has been questioning the government over the state of law and order when celebrities get targeted. But you're talking about questions and suspicion. What are these suspicions that you have? If you could just list all those questions that you have in your mind.
No, just plain aspect is if someone was really injured so severely, how can he just walk away or just walk so normally in a merry 5 days? You know, maybe the maybe the medical fraternity is of Leelavati is really that good that they could really do such amazing work. But on the other side, there also raises a lot of question that if he was attacked so badly, you know, and the way the entire 4-5 days, the stories were coming out, and unnecessarily the government was blamed. So now I think there are a lot of questions. Then rather than asking me, is something that they have to answer.
No, you're
the
talking.
family have to answer.
So, Mr. Rane, are you saying the actor who was stabbed 6 times, doctors came out and gave statements multiple times saying that he went through surgeries. Some doctors even said he came walking in like a lion and he's responding very well to the surgeries. One, do you also expect that the family should now come out and make a statement, Saif Ali Khan, his wife, they should come out and make a statement to put to rest all these speculations?
Exactly. That is what we all are expecting. See, the thing is, they know the truth. We are all expecting, as Mumbaikars, for them to come out and speak the truth, because we just not me. You must have seen social media and everywhere. Everyone is questioning the way things were unfolding. And there were different theories given to this happened, that happened, this happened. So obviously, everything can be put to rest if the family comes out, speaks about it, tells us the facts, frankly. If it was
Mr. Rane,
not,
so are you saying all the
it was
versions or the statements that have been made so far in the case, on the basis of which the probe is underway, that's not the truth?
See, obviously it raises a lot of questions, right? It does raise a lot of questions because it is not a clear-cut, it doesn't look like a clear-cut case where he was attacked. And if it was really an attack which was which was showed, I don't understand how he can just walk so normally.
Yes.
It is just not me. It is. I'm sure everyone is asking the same question.
Yes, but many would say that these are only giving credence to conspiracy theories. And as a minister, you know, if you would make a statement like this from a public stage, it would also, you know, sound very insensitive to a family that is already, you know, going through the trauma of this kind of an attack.
Understand one thing.
Yes.
Understand one thing. Our government is helping them in the case. Obviously, our police is investigating the case. But the fact lies, this guy isn't the family coming out and giving the facts. Obviously, if it is something that, you know, has really happened, they can come out
So
and
you're
speak about it.
saying Saif Ali Khan and his family should come out and make a statement now that there are so many questions emerging, especially after he returned home when he looked, many would say, fit and fine. Thank you so much, Mr. Rane. Thank you so much, Mr. Rane, for joining us this morning. There's a statement. You heard what Nitesh Rane